This can of Jif creamy peanut butter taught me a really valuable lesson about marketing and business. This ain't no can, it's plastic. But anyway, you get the gist. You should not be basing your business decisions based upon whether something is cheap or it's expensive. Let me explain. I go out and I do the majority of the shopping for my family. I went to Trader Joe's on a particular day because I get all of my salads, my fruits and things from Trader Joe's. I decided that I am going to go ahead and get peanut butter from Trader Joe's since I was already there. Now the peanut butter at Trader Joe's is only about $2.38. My kids love peanut butter and jelly. They love Jif peanut butter. The majority of the time, Jif peanut butter is about $3.79 on a good day, okay? If you might get a discount, it might be about $3.50. Yeah, take away a couple of cents. I decided I'm going to go ahead and go with the cheaper option and the most convenient option because I didn't want to go to an additional store to get Jif. So I got the Trader Joe's peanut butter. I went home. I put the peanut butter in the cabinet. My kids made a sandwich. And they said, oh my, what is this? This is not Jif. And then a day or two went by and that peanut butter started to have some type of watery, oily look to it. It did not look like Jif. It didn't stay like Jif. Like Jif stays like this. So now we have watery peanut butter and my kids are having a fit. They are falling out on the floor. They are having just continuous muscle spasms. They cannot understand why the peanut butter don't look like this, but is watery and like creamy in the inside. I realize that in marketing, we do this as well, right? We go after things that we feel like are going to be convenient. They're going to be cheaper. So I had a client say this: I can just pay a videographer to come out by the hour instead of paying a digital strategist to come and give me an overall strategy. Whenever you go for the cheaper option, you get cheaper quality. Whenever you go for an option that's a bit higher, you're going to get better quality. Think about that. Now, obviously, this doesn't always apply, right? There are times when you do need to go and you need to be very cost efficient and you need to stay within budget. I'm not talking about those times. I'm talking about the times when you go for something that's convenient and that's cheaper, or at least seemingly cheaper, and you end up diminishing the quality of life, the quality of your time, or the value on your time for you being cheap when you could have just went ahead, made an extra stop, and got the Jif. It's really about value. And if you value your business, if you value your marketing, if you value the time you put into creating this stuff, then why wouldn't you pay in order to get the value that you want to receive? Why would you diminish that? And then number two, why would you waste time, right? If you're doing something that you've done over and over and over again and you keep doing it and it still ain't working, it's time to switch it up, sis. Because, bro, it's time to switch it up.